ng Panginoon, umawit ng kagalakan, at tugtugin ang gitara, at ang bahaya-hayang lira. Ipanin niyo ang trumpeta.
Brethren, let us acknowledge our sins and so prepare ourselves to celebrate the sacred mystery.
Our sons and daughters of Abraham, the scriptures foresaw that by the way of faith, God would give true righteousness to the non-Jewish nations. For God's promise to Abraham was this: in you shall all the nations be blessed.
Something freely offered, not something earned by us through years of obedience to a set of laws. It is mainly in Galatians and Romans that he lays out his theology of justification and faith. Our proper response to God's loving gift is one of trust and gratitude.
For our sake he was crucified under Pontius Pilate. He suffered death and was buried, and rose again on the third day, in accordance to the Scriptures. He ascended into heaven, and is seated at the right hand of the Father.
Bishops, priests, and all the faithful, that we may be strengthened by the grace of our lost child to abortion, that God will console them in their grief and lead them to forgiveness, as in the elected office, that they enact most policies that God actually designed in life, from conception
For all those suffering from trouble or broken marriages, especially children.
For people of truth, for all those deserving application to the faith, consecrated life, or
For people of faith who fight for may the Lord
institutions to conduct their professional lives according to their religious convictions, and those in the twilight of their lives, that their families and caregivers will cherish them and care for them with tender compassion.
This year of faith will awaken in the hearts of all Catholics a renewed sense of hope and gratitude for the gift of human life, and a renewed determination to protect all lives, from conception to natural death.
All people, the power of your Spirit, in the name of your Son, Jesus Christ.